following, hitch a ride, no more plan.
Come Cinderland.
Say the shirtless man, say we go and live off the ʻāina, braddah. But all I went find was bugs and buggahs. Fuck the tarp, fuck the tent, mosquito in my eye, still paying rent. Jesus talking all kind of shit, building ark for the end, he went lose it. Foam pad, wet sheet, tarp, roof leak. You talk about fruit trees, but I can't sleep. Cinderland, no way out. Half the crew got OD or shout.
Stay stuck in Cinderland, no exit plan. Shack life, mold, strife, hippie code jam. Jesus stay ruling from the lava throne, but I just like go home, brah, leave me alone.
Toilet like one science project, shit don't flush, I get regrets. Pay to stay, then do the chores, still sleeping on top moldy floors. One guy drum all day on shroom, howlee girl whisperin sweet nothings to the moon. Everybody naked, itchy chasing glow, I just like papaya, not a damn freak show. Patchouli fog and ego chance, free love me, no pants, no chance. Brah, who you trying to gaslight? This ain't Eden, it's sin and vice.
Stay stuck in Cinderland where the creeps go hide behind sage smoke in that fake third eye. Say surrender, say open, say touch the flame, but it's all one hustle, one nasty game.
Creepy uncle vibes in a healing dome. Try touch your trauma, then bring it home. Content stay blurry when the shrooms go deep. And a tantra king just trying to creepy chant. Open up with his pants half down. Fuck down like burn his whole compound down.
Community me tweak us, steal your gear, then blame the moon and crystal sphere. Jungle creeps, crackhead stare, try sleeping while they humping out there. I stay stuck in Cinderland, no Wi-Fi here. Just one prophet saying the end stay near. He say tsunami go and wipe the coast, but we still cooking rice, no meat, just toast. Braddah, I came for heel, now I get rash on my whole asshole. Still stuck in Cinderland, lava trap life with the false prophet and his jungle wife.
Bruh, if you read this on Reddit, stay far from the lava pit, unless you like wake up naked, itching, broken, sharing blessings with a grown-ass man named Star Fox.
Cinderland.